Welcome. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your X, formerly Twitter feed on your PC, or just want to see more tweets at once, you'll be glad to know that changing the font size is quick and easy with the latest update. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can customize your reading experience in just a minute. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the main page, look to the menu on the left side of your screen. Find the More icon. It usually looks like 3 dots or says More. Click on it, and a new menu will pop up. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page with several options. Here you'll want to find and click on Accessibility, Display, and Language. This section is where you can adjust how things look and feel on your X account. Next, click on Display. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a slider labeled Font Size. Simply drag this slider left or right to decrease or increase the font size until it feels just right for your eyes. As you move the slider, you'll see a preview of how your feed will look so you can find the perfect balance between readability and how much content fits on your screen. Once you're happy with the new font size, you don't need to press any extra buttons. Your changes are saved automatically. Just head back to your timeline and enjoy your refreshed, more comfortable browsing experience. Personalizing your font size can make a big difference, whether you want to reduce eye strain or fit more tweets on your feed. If you ever want to change it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Enjoy your new X experience.